So what's up? I'm back. Hopefully the audio is working. I'm actually back with the Z. That T40 I've never worked on, but the video is going to be about the Z. Unfortunately, this eBay header thing is not working. I've taken them off 3 times and beat them. They're still rubbing, touching. They're horrible fitment. I understand it's eBay, kind of get what you pay for, but I'm gonna dive in and kind of talk about what is actually happening. So I'm also going to shoot this video in 4K. Hopefully it turns out better. Like, I got a new iPhone. I didn't even realize that I had to choose 4K. It's just been 1080p, which my last video wasn't shot with this one. So hopefully this will help. Also, the clicking should be going away. I noticed clicking in my last video. But simple DE. Had to take the skirts off, which I don't even think they made it to the videos. Some odd hands, or odd hands, or I don't know how you say them. That's just what I call them, DSO2s. Fresh DE out of an Infinity. Cold air intake, headers, resonated wide pipe, and then whatever you want, a single exit back. Car sounds really great except for the horrible rubbing issues. It's actually bent my steering shaft at this point. Carbon fiber Z1 hood, carbon fiber eyelids, paint's coming for the bumpers. I'm actually just like working on it, so I'm just gonna make a video about the eBay headers because it's honestly like beware Z owners type of shit. Well, down there you can see what I'm talking about. It's, what the hell? Focus. It's touching right on the header, the steering shaft. So unfortunately I have to deal with that, so it is what it is. And it's leaking on this side, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix this side too, which unfortunately looks like it's gonna be horrible as well to try to fix. So whack. Yeah, the radiator was still pressurized. So the header is now back on and hopefully not gonna rub. I beat a pretty good bit out of it. So also doing valve cover gaskets, which I know on a Nissan you're supposed to just replace them or whatever on the VQs, but I'm not going to. I'm cheap. I'm gonna do some work, get them cleaned up so they'll stop leaking, and then that's kind of it really. The plenum spacers are gonna be here too. I'm gonna try to find a way to get the cold air intake actually out here, kind of chilling down there where it's supposed to be, and that's about it. So it's been a while actually since I recorded. The car is actually back together. New front bumper, lip, cleaned up the headlights a little bit. Back of the car still looks horrible, but the headers actually, it didn't work. It didn't fix them. That's like the 3rd time, but I think it may be motor mount issues, so I'm gonna order some solid mounts and see if that helps. But this is definitely a beware of headers. I did not know what I was getting into. I just kind of happened to have a set of eBays laying around, and you definitely get what you pay for. It's been a nightmare. But I have ordered uprev tune. I actually was doing an uprev video and then stopped. I don't know if I lost the footage, but the car is uprev flashed. Already ordered a tune, so that should be the next video, getting the uprev in and everything. I might try to do the skirts this weekend and pop them on. That's gonna be it for this one. Make sure to stick around for that uprev and I will catch y'all in the next one.